Presto Wall, the natural alternative. Environmentally sustainable building is no longer a niche industry or a curious novelty. There is an urgent and fast-growing awareness of the rapid depletion of our precious natural resources and degradation of our natural environment. This increased level of environmental consciousness is a worldwide phenomenon. It is our frontline responsibility now to succeed and meet the challenges as custodians and protectors of this planet's limited precious resources for our future and our children's future. Affordable Building Systems, LLC is converting a wasted and plentiful resource, wheat straw, into high-quality and durable multi-purpose construction panels, the Presto Wall system. This throwaway resource is collected in large straw bales and placed on the automated production line to begin the manufacturing process. Moisture content for each bale is checked and recorded to ensure quality standards. Through a number of working steps, the straw is cleaned and prepared before entering the patented core extrusion process. The panel core is formed without the addition of any glues or binding agents, a unique environmentally friendly process that produces zero toxic waste. A recycled paper liner is attached to the panel core with a non-toxic adhesive to complete the Presto Wall panel. As demonstrated here, Presto Wall is highly resistant to fire and the spread of flame. The densely compressed panel core, when exposed to intense flame, will carbonize, which suppresses the combustion process. The panels are available with either a Class A or Class B flame spread rating. Presto Wall is delivered to the site custom cut to length at no extra charge. A wooden 1x2 floor plate is nailed into position to begin the construction process. A top channel or angle is nailed or screwed directly above the floor plate as the top rail for the Presto Wall. A nail is driven into the heel of each panel to locate the Presto Wall in position until the baseboards are attached. Presto Wall is a clever, self-aligning building system. Panels are delivered to the site pre-slotted for the patented biscuit connectors. Construction adhesive is applied to the Presto Wall slots before inserting the biscuit connectors. The connectors are lightly tapped home with a hammer to ensure correct placement in the slot. There are 5 Presto Wall connectors in each panel-to-panel joint. With the first panel being completed, we can now place the next Presto Wall panel into position on the top of the floor plate. Construction adhesive is again applied to the biscuit slots and panel edge. The Presto Wall panels are pushed together to form a neat and snug, gap-free fit. A countersunk screw is fixed into the Presto Wall biscuits to secure the panel joint. 90-degree Presto Wall corners are formed with 2 45-degree full-length miter cuts to each corner panel. Construction adhesive is applied to the full length of the miter cut before bringing the corner panels together. Corner panels are pushed together, and 3.5-inch galvanized nails are used to complete the mechanical joining process. After completion of the Presto Wall corner, biscuit connectors are again glued into position, and the next panel is placed on top of the timber floor plate. Construction adhesive is applied to the full vertical joint. Wall panels are pushed together and the joint is completed with the application of countersunk screws through each Presto Wall biscuit joiner. We are now ready to install a door in our new wall. In this instance, we are using a template to mark and cut the doorway opening. A level is used to make sure the template is plumb, and a screw is inserted to fix the template into position. A core set power saw is used to cut around the door template. Care should be taken to avoid overcutting the door dimensions. A handsaw is used to complete the cutting process. The door opening is now ready to remove, complete with cutting template. Presto Wall is self-supporting and no lintels are required. A pre-hung door is placed into the panel opening. The door jamb is glued and screwed into position. The door trim is nailed to the door jamb to complete the process. Perfotape and joint compound is applied to the Presto Wall recessed tapered joint for a flush concealed finish. The joint is allowed to dry before a finish coat of joint compound is applied. An external angle bead is fixed into position on the Presto Wall external corner and is completed with a joint compound. Plaster cornice is placed into position with cement, or wood trim can be applied. Presto Wall panel joints are completed with joint compound. We can now install the baseboards, which are nailed to the wooden base plate and the Presto Wall base. For wet areas, timber battens are installed to the Presto Wall to conceal pipe work. A galvanized plate is fixed to the Presto Wall for the attachment of plumbing fixtures. The cement sheet is nailed into position to complete the wet area process. Presto Wall panels are fitted with full-length electrical service hose, 2 for each panel. A hole saw or router is used to create a recess into the electrical service hole for the insertion of electrical cables. Power points and light switches are screwed into the Presto Wall panel in the normal manner. The construction process is now completed, and the new Presto Wall is painted in the normal manner with an undercoat before completion with your selected paint finish. Presto Wall is a highly engineered, sustainable mainstream construction material that may be used on its own as a quality, high-performance wall or be combined with an ABS building systems to deliver complete housing packages with exceptional quality and finish. At last, a real and practical sustainable building material and building system is here, a technology that is being recognized on a global scale. Remember, it takes 18 acres of wheat straw that is renewable every year to build a 2,000 square foot home. It takes the equivalent of 1 acre of clear-cut forest that is replaceable only every 30 years to do the same job.